Hi and welcome back to Kids Arts and Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Let's get started. Oh, where did that come from?
To get started, you'll need a piece of paper. Place it down vertically. Next, fold your paper in half and unfold. Now take the top right corner of your paper and fold down to meet the center crease. And repeat this on the top left corner as well. Next, I'm going to take the right side of the paper and fold it down to meet the crease in the middle. And I'm going to repeat this on the left side as well. Just bringing it down to meet with the crease in the middle. Next, we're going to fold our paper in half like this. Make sure to really press down the paper so it keeps the fold. Now let's take the top flap and fold it outwards, so to your right. Next, I'm just going to flip my plane around so I can fold it on the other side as well. And this time we'll be folding to your left, like this.
We have finished making our paper airplane. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.